That's what the casting couch is for. Kevin's so JDM.
Hey.
Hi. I'm assuming he's coming this way.
Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Oh, deja vu, I've just been this time before. Higher on the beat, and I know it's a place to go.
We need to get another one. Oh my god.
So right now it's been sitting outside. There's so much things going on right now. You've got Brandon's car. You know, we're doing little things on there. These dudes are working pretty hard on pretty much everything. You know, it's not just my car going on at the time. You know, this is my project. Plenty of other people work here doing things. Kevin's got his Laurel up on the left. Dude's having a little bit of fun with the crazy cart today. Wes driving around. I've just been sitting outside for about 2 days or so. I went ahead and taped up the exhaust manifold, taped up the spark plug holes and the injector holes. You know, I've sat the radiator in here. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this one yet, but you know, I could just do something very simple right now, like, you know, throw my header on, and you know, but things from here is just button up stuff for the engine. But I haven't fully decided what I'm going to do for everything. Didn't know if I'm going to do a power steering reservoir or a stock one. Don't know what lines we're going to run. Don't know if I'm doing an old cooler yet. I'm definitely doing a fuel system upgrade, so I got plenty of stuff to do, but maybe just hit it like one at a time. So right now, probably just put the header on.
I've been really trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo. Let's get it.
What you doing there, Ant?
You know, putting the copper juice on. See, if people don't like stuff seizing, they have this stuff called anti-seize. And what it does is it helps anti-seize.
The thunder's getting bad.
It's like thunder, lightning. I guess this is where we find out if this can go in without jacking it up or not.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Tits. Oh, it's probably going to get banned, right? We're not allowed to see tits. What if they're man tits?
Then that's fine.
Okay, man boobs. It's a glove, man.
Not bad.
So I decided to do this outside for the first time ever. And yeah. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but that bass is kicking. But I got this. The ISR header went straight in. Fit like a globe. And actually you can do it, as we learned today, just without even jacking the car up. You just slip right in there. So right now I'm just gonna button those all up. And there she is, very simple install, did it on the ground, took about what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? Very nice fitting, very good looking. I'm not even just saying it because I'm paid to do so, because I'm the #1 sponsored ISR driver in the world. That's all a lie. I'm not paid to do this. Am I? Am I paid? Hey.
Still wait for that picture.
No, it is. It's a really high quality, very well fitting, very decently priced header. I mean, they're actually always out of stock. I think I kind of bought this one how long ago?
Pretty regular.
Yeah, actually, sorry. I didn't take anybody's, I promise. I've had this But there it is, installed.